Students, today I would like to study about the structure of sperm. What is sperm? Sperm is a haploid cell. It is also known as male gamete and formed as a result of spermatogenesis. Sperm is a motile cell. Motile means it can move from one place to other place. It can change its position. It swims in semen. What is semen? Sperm is a haploid cell. It is also known as male gamete. It is produced by testes. What is semen? Sperm plus prostatic fluid plus seminal fluid plus mucus is known as semen. It means it is a mixture of sperm, prostatic fluid, seminal fluid and mucus. Sperm is microscopic structure. It cannot be seen with naked eye. It can be observed only under the microscope. A sperm of mammals or human can be divided into three parts. First, head, next part, neck, third part, middle piece, and last tail. This part is known as head. It is an elongated part. It contains large nucleus. You can see in the figure. This is nucleus. And it contains a cap-like structure known as acrosome. What is acrosome? Acrosome is a cap-like structure present on the head of sperm. It contains a hydrolytic substance which helps the sperm to penetrate the ovum at the time of fertilization. Next part is neck. Neck is a very small or short part located below the hair or कह सकते हैं it is present between the head and middle piece. It contains a proximal centriole which helps in first cleavage. Cleavage means division of zygote. Cleavage is a process in which diploid zygote is converted into a mass of cell. It helps in first cleavage and other distal centriole. It forms the axial filament. This rod-like structure, supporting structure is known as axial filament. Now I shall discuss about the third, middle piece. Middle piece is located below the neck and above the tail. It is an important part of sperm. It contains axial filament which is coiled by or surrounded by a spiral mitochondrion, or singular is known as mitochondrion and plural mitochondria. So it is surrounded by a spiral mitochondria. This is mitochondrium and it coils around the axial filament. It provides energy to the sperm for movement or swim in semen. At the lower end of middle piece, a ring centriole is present. Its function is unknown. Now I shall discuss about the tail. Tail is the lowermost part of a sperm. It is several times longer than the head and it helps the sperm to swim in semen. It can be divided in two parts. This part is known as main piece of tail. This piece is surrounded by a layer of cytoplasm and the remaining part of tail is known as end piece. It is not surrounded by cytoplasm. It contains only filament. In this way, the discussion on structure of sperm has been finished. I want to discuss about few terms. And the significance of spermatogenesis. Significance of spermatogenesis. What are the importances of spermatogenesis? First point, as a result of spermatogenesis, haploid cells are present known as sperm or spermatozoa or male gametes. Haploid cells means it contains half number of chromosomes to that of their parent cells, and it is produced by the meiotic cell division. As a result of meiosis, the number of chromosomes reduced to half. Next point, it maintains the number of chromosomes of a species because during fertilization, male gamete and female gamete are fused. Half number of chromosomes come from male and remaining half chromosomes comes from female. In this way, in zygote is diploid cell. By this process, the number of chromosomes of a species is maintained. In spermatogenesis, one spermatogonium forms 4 spermatozoa or male gametes or sperms. Now I am going to discuss about the few terms which is essential to understand the next topic, female reproductive system. First term, menarche. Menarche, menarch. What do you mean by menarche? The beginning of menstrual flow in female is known as menarche, or you can say that first menstrual flow is known as menarche. What do you mean by menstrual flow? menstrual flow. In female, at the puberty, bleeding occurs from uterus through vagina. The flow of blood from uterus through vagina is known as menstrual flow or menstruation. It continues 4 to 6 days and repeated at an interval of 28 to 29 days. Since it repeated in each month, so it is known as menstrual cycle. Next term, menopause. In female human, after a certain age, menstrual flow permanently stops. So we can say that we can define it: permanent stoppage of menstrual flow is known as menopause. Puberty. What do you mean by puberty? The age at which reproductive organs start their functioning is known as puberty. In male, it starts at the age of 13 to 16 years, and in female, puberty occurs about 12 to 14 years. It means at this age, testis starts the formation of male gamete or sperms, and ovary is known as primary sex organ of female. It is at this age it starts the formation of ovum or female gamete. Now the discussion on male reproductive system has been finished. In my next class, I shall discuss about the female reproductive system. Thank you.